In this video, we will do the problem on the magnetic field intensity using Biot-Savart law. And here they have given that h bar we need to find at the observation point -340. So that point is available on the x-ray plane due to the current filament given in the diagram. So in the diagram, you can able to observe that on the x-axis current element is there from 0 to infinity, and on the z-axis also current element is there, that is from infinity to 0. So two current elements are there. We can find individually two magnetic field intensities and we need to add them. Okay. So first I will take a x-axis current element. Then we'll calculate the magnetic field due to z-axis current element. Okay. So first I'm concentrating on the x-axis. So on the x-axis we have current element. That current is passing from 0 to infinity. Okay, that current value is 3 amperes. If it is x-axis, this is the y-axis, and our observation point is -3 plus 4, 0. That means this is the observation point, -3 comma 4 comma 0. This is the OP. Okay, current element is this one. It is extended up to plus infinity on the positive x-axis. So this case is very similar to the observation point below the conductor. So we have to use the formula h bar is equal to I by 4 pi rho into sin alpha 2 minus sin alpha 1 into phi cap. So I is 3 amperes they have given already by 4 pi rho value. Rho is the perpendicular drawn from the observation point towards the axis of the conductor. So this itself is the rho. Rho is equal to 4 from the diagram. So 4. Then sin alpha 2. Sin alpha 1 we have to calculate. So alpha 1 is this angle. Alpha 2 is this angle. Okay. So this is 3. But it is extended up to infinity. It is not at a certain finite value. So sin alpha 2 I can take it will reach at infinity distance. So alpha 2 is infinity, means the sin alpha 2 is 1 minus sin alpha 1. That is with respect to alpha 1, if you see the diagram very carefully, it is opposite side is 3. The hypotenuse we need to write, that is this one. This is the hypotenuse. That is square root of 3 square plus 4 square. That is 5. The phi cap. How to calculate phi cap? L cap cross rho cap. L cap is from the direction of the current, that is x cap, and rho cap is outwards we have to take. Okay, outwards means from where you will you take this one? Perpendicular is towards the positive y-axis in this particular direction. Okay, from the axis of the conductor we have to go away. That means here we can take it is positive y-axis. Okay, so we'll take it is z-axis. So it is equal to 3 by 4 by 4, and it is 2 by 5 into z cap. So it is 2 ones are 2 twos are, it is 3 by 8, 8 5s are 40 pi into z cap. So if you calculate this one, what will get? It is 3 by 40 into 5. So we got 23. 23.8 z cap. Okay, you may get doubt regarding sin alpha 2. Since this current is going up to infinity, we cannot draw a line. Okay, from the observation point, this line is meeting that particular upper end at the infinity, like that you can take. It is reaching infinity. It is reaching infinity at alpha 2 is equal to 90. If it is reaching here, alpha is 0. If it is reaching here, alpha is 45. If it is reaching here, alpha is 60. If it is reaching at infinity, okay, we have to take it is 90. Okay, so that sin alpha 2 will become 1. This is one part of the answer. And the second part we have to do the magnetic field calculation due to the z-axis current. So from the given data, I am taking this is the z-axis. Current is coming from infinity to 0. Okay, current direction is from infinity towards horizon. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, this is the current element. So what is the L cap here? L cap is from the current direction only now. That is negative z cap. And where is the observation point? Observation point is -3, -4, 0. Okay. So -3 means it will be on the negative x-axis. 1, 2, 3. And positive y. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is nothing but the observation point, that is -3, 4, 0. Okay. So we have defined upper end and lower end based on the current direction. For example, this is the conductor. If you are here, then it is the lower end side. If you are here, that is the upper end side. How can we tell that one? Based on the current direction. Current is going like this, that's why this is the lower end. And reaching this point, that's why it is the upper end. Similarly, here, current is coming this side. So this is the lower end part, this is upper end part. Okay, this is the lower end part and this is the upper end part. So now the observation point is available in the upper end part. So which formula we have to apply? H bar is equal to I by 4 pi rho into sin alpha 1 minus sin alpha 2 into phi cap. Okay, so this formula we have to apply because operating point is observation point is available at the upper end side. Then can you draw a line from the observation point towards the lower end? No, this is the lower end now. This is the upper end because the lower end is at the infinity. So that the sin alpha 1, okay, the sin alpha 1 will be 1 because alpha 1 is 90. We can take sin alpha 1 is 1. What about sin alpha 2? To draw the sin alpha 2, what we need? First of all, we will draw the perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular, how to draw the perpendicular? From the observation point towards the axis of the conductor we have to draw. And this operating point, observation point is on the xy plane. And the upper end is available at the origin. Okay, that means that is also on the xy plane only. So the perpendicular will be like this. This is the perpendicular and this is also the line which is joining observation point and upper end. So that alpha 2 is 0. Both are same. So sin alpha 2 is 0. Okay. Then we will take phi cap. Phi cap is L cap cross rho cap. L cap is based on the current direction, that is in the negative z direction. So minus z cap, it is in cross product with rho cap. Rho cap is nothing but going towards the observation point. Okay, rho cap is going towards the observation point we have to take from the current conductor. So in which direction it is going? It is going like this. Okay. So that one if you want to write, how can we write minus 3 x cap plus 4 into y cap by its magnitude is 5. Don't forget to write the magnitude because we need to write here this unit vector. Then it is equal to minus into minus is plus 3. Then z cap cross x cap is y cap. Next minus into plus is minus 4 z cap cross x cap. Sorry, z cap cross y cap. Y cross z is nothing but x, but here z cross y is there, so it is a plus x cap by 5 will get. Okay, everything is ready. Substitute in the formula. H bar is equal to I. I value they have given 3 amperes. 3 by 4 pi rho. What is the perpendicular distance? Means it is 5 only, na? This is 3, this is 4. So perpendicular distance is 5. And sine alpha 1 is 1. Minus sine alpha 2 is 0. Then phi cap is 4 into x cap plus 3 into y cap by 5. Okay. So what did you get? It is equal to 3 by 25 4 is 100 into pi multiplied with 4x cap plus 3 y cap. It is equal. Okay. So what we get? 3 by 100 by pi. It is 9 point something we got. I will write that also. It is 0.0095 multiplied with 4 into x cap plus 3 into y cap. Okay. Now what I am doing is that 9.5 I will take. That one I am multiplying with 4. Then I will get 38 x cap. 9.5 multiplying with 3. I will get 28.5 y cap. This is milliamperes per meter. This is the second part of the answer. Okay. So total h bar is equal to this part and previous part. That is 38 x cap plus 28.5 y cap. And previous answer we got only z cap, that is 23.8 z cap. Okay. Milliamperes per meter. Thank you.